this is the final of the second project, and these are the requirements. What There was something that was very confusing to me. I wanted to go for the extra credits for this and this, the TypeScript and the GraphQL. Uh, but the problem, what I didn't understand is that it stated here GraphQL instead of REST. That means that if I decide to go for this, um, I'm not supposed to use REST. One thing is that the Swagger is being added here and is going to be graded. So if I'm not using REST, why is the Swagger going to be graded? So all this were confusing to me. So what I decided to do is to do both. I'll do both, but in the video I will demonstrate instead the graph in order to get the extra credit. I don't know if the instructor is going to be fair about that, because it stated that the rest is not used at all. So everything is confusing to me. No one gave me the answer. Anyway, so let's not waste time. Here we go. I'll run the local server npm run dev. So actually I've added this in my server, this link, so that I can go straight. This is the login and this is the Apollo server to test the graph. And if I should do it locally or render instead. Okay, let's go for the local server. So I'm going to log first. This was my way to configure all this. I don't know if I'm going to lose some point for that. But this all. I didn't also know if you were supposed to provide any front end. That was the best thing I did. So now you see that I'm logged in, so I'm going to check if I'm really logged in. So I'll go to off status. Okay, it stated here that authenticated true. That means that I'm authenticated. But this one, I'm authenticated on the local server, not on the production server. So everything I will do here is on local. And so let's try the graph. Say off. Go. I think it's here. No, it's API instead. API instead. Not found. Okay. Going to delete this. Okay, so this is my graph. I'm going to test everything here, and let's say the schema. See the visualization. Oh, we have everything here. Okay, the schema document. As you can see, my mutation say this one is for the search. This one is deleted. We're going to test all this. Okay. So because we have so many things to test, what I did is that I save all my queries. I save all my queries and we're going to test it in this video. Okay, let me, yes. So I save all my queries here. So this is the get all task. I'm going to test the code first, then we go for the error handling. So we're going to run it. Okay, so I have this. If I go to testing create, okay, there is a testing create operation. There is it. And let test the one thing I'll do. I'll continue on the production since I'll show that he's working on local. I'll continue with the production so to test on it. Um, check here. Let's say of the Google. So, seems like my UI is not working. Okay. I think I did add the callback. Add the callback. We should be working now. Should be working now. Oh, it's working. Okay. So status of, okay, I'm logged in. Then we can go to the server to test everything. The um, follow, follow. Good. As I said, I save all the queries in order to save time because the video is going to be long. Okay, I already tested this on the local server. Okay, this is my current user info. So if I run this, I'm going to get the user who is logged in. So as you can see, this is my info. That's me. And let's create a task. Okay, graph test. Let's see here. No, I'm going to say graph test production or production. Let's create operation. Okay. Okay, it's a success. True. Let's check in our DB. Okay, here is it. we're going to test the update. Let's take this one. Let's take the last one. I'm going to put it here, and let's say it's completed. Okay, let's say so. This one is going to change. It's completed. Sure. Okay, so you can see that it's completed here. That's working. Delete task. So I'm going to delete this one, the last one, so we'll make our test on it. I'm going to delete that and we'll run it. Okay, it's deleted. Okay, so the get task by ID. So we're going to get, okay, so here we're using a variable and we are going to put the variable here. As you can see, it's possible to use the variable. We're going to put the variable here. So put ID. ID, yes. And take this, put it here, and can run it. Reset graph test. So I'm getting a graph test here. Okay, so I think we're done with all the CRUD operation. Now we're going to do the error handling collection. So let's test this one. Let us invalidate format. So let's test this one. Well, run it. Right. Okay, so you can see that the due date we have a string here. It's supposed to receive a date type. So we get the error ending, which is invalid date format. Okay, so this error handling is working. Now let us the task missing require failed. Okay, so we're now going to submit some empty field. We see how it's going to behave around title, description, and due date are required. So these three fields are required: title, description, and due date are required. So these three fields are required. So everything is working properly. Let's test this. Okay, so let's see for the past too long title and see what it gives. So because this is more than 100 characters, so it's given an error. So we handle that error. Title cannot exceed 100 characters. So where is it? So all this error have been handled. Bad user input. This is the code. Let's test this one. That's not found. So let's see if this doesn't exist in our DB. 6145. Okay, this one doesn't exist. So we're going to search for this one in our DB. Okay, so this one doesn't exist in our DB. So this error is correct. And I think I was able to go through all this. And let's see if there are some other things we need to provide. Okay, so for we can check the environment variable. Like you can see the client URL. I can show you this. It's not a problem. This one is secret. I can show you the port. I can show you. I should. Okay, I think I can put this one on dev. Should I put this one in production? Production instead. Production. And I go client secret. Okay, so all these are secret. I'll show you this one. Yes. So the rest are secret, are tokens. So gonna show after I finish the the video, I'll save it. Okay, let's see. We can test DB make professional criteria at least one collection feature document with at least 7 fields. I don't even think that's collection 7 fields. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Database HTTP make professional criteria. This document have put and delete request. Okay, I think this one is done. Make the professional criteria documentation. There is a problem. I don't know if I'm supposed to, since I'm using a graph queue. I think okay, graded URL. So I think the instructor is going to check out that. This one too is graded via YouTube GitHub. The error ending is GitHub. Okay. So I think I've been able to go through these criteria, and I hope to get full credit. Thank you so much for watching.